City lights reflecting on the glass, rain falling slow. I'm driving solo through the night, letting no feelings go. Hands on the wheel, heartbeat calm, I'm wide awake. Rearview memories fading out with every turn I take. I move through the city like I own my lane. Confidence in my walk, no room for pain. Black car, loud bass, heels touch the ground. Head held high as the club lights come around. People ask me who I am, what I'm trying to be. I don't chase approval, I just move free. The door swings open, the beat hits strong. I step inside knowing this is where I belong. I shine, I glow, I don't slow down. You hear my name echo through the town. Hands up high, feel the sound. I'm my own queen, I don't need a crown. We dance all night, lost in the crowd, living out loud, proud and loud. No chains on me, no holding ground. I stand my ground, I stand out. Friends all around, but my path is mine. Every move to look, every step alive. Mic in my hand, lights on my face. My words cut deep, pride in the place. I'm not a trend.